It's always been a dream of mine to have a little cabin tucked away in the middle of nowhere, a little escape, place for a home base for snowmobiling, hunting, ATVing. Well, we just happened to stumble on this place in Tug Hill, New York. Got a great deal on the land, and our Amish pals helped us get a closed-in cabin up within, I think, about 3.5 days.
So once we get the bubble wrap down, put this tape on here. Just close up the seams.
The cabin dimensions are 16 by 30, although that 30 includes a 6-foot front porch, so in reality it's more like 16 by 24. It's got a mudroom, a bathroom, and open floor plan, pretty much, with a loft up top with a king-size bed.
End of day 2, completely framed. Rough openings for the windows. Door, window, window, door. Roof wrap on, steel's coming, metal's coming Saturday. Gonna have an Arctic entry here, wall, bathroom over here, Murphy bed, wood stove somewhere over here, couch, chair, big glass sliders out to the view from outside to the pond. Kitchen. This has been my work spot for about, 3 hours. So, I'm taping the seams between my bubble wrap. Lots and lots of rocks to lay on. But my choices were get on the roof or lay on the ground. I don't like heights. Laying on the ground sounded like a much better idea. But after laying on stuff like this all day, the roof wouldn't be so bad.
Surprise, surprise! We just got down to the build site, but these guys started working really early, maybe 8 o'clock or so, and I think it's about 9:30 now. But we were not anticipating this. They've got our steps done, and they put all the decking in on our front porch, which is amazing, and it's so pretty. And they went with these super wide planks, and I absolutely love them. They are so nice. We're gonna go sit on our porch.
Well, it can't be all work and no play. We did have a little time up to ourselves to go and rent a side-by-side from the Tug Hill Resort up in Redfield. I think it was a Razor brand. Who's that, Polaris? Who knows? Anyway, we had a good time using the trail system coming down to camp. Took a ride around Kasoag, down the Barclay Trail. It was a lot of fun, but I think I'll stick with four-wheelers. Little side excursion to the Salmon River Falls. You can hike down to the bottom of the falls or hike to the top. We've done both. It's really beautiful, incredible sight. Great place to get a quick little visit in if you're in the area. Really like that black metal roof. Here's a quick little tour of Rachel heading up to the loft. We do have a king-size bed up there. If I was gonna redo it all over again, I would give myself a foot more headroom in there by dropping the floor a foot. You'd lose a foot in the mudroom and bathroom, but there's plenty of room already. Mudroom is a great size, just perfect. And the views outside are always astounding. I've since cleared a bunch of those trees out so we have a better view. Cutting a hole in a perfectly good wall. but it's for a good reason. We installed our wood stove here, and it is so much nicer than relying on the propane heat. Picked this up from Tractor Supply, and boy was it heavy. I hope you enjoyed our little off-gridish journey, and I hope you learn from my mistakes.